Here are some commonly used Excel shortcut keys. Ctrl C, copy selected cells. Ctrl V, paste copied cells. Ctrl X, cut selected cells. Ctrl Z, undo last action. Ctrl Y, redo last undone action. Ctrl A, select all cells in the current worksheet. Ctrl F, open the Find and Replace dialog box. Ctrl H, open the Find and Replace dialog box, with the Replace tab selected. Ctrl S, save the current workbook. Ctrl N, create a new workbook. Ctrl O, open an existing workbook. Ctrl P, print the current worksheet. Ctrl B, apply or remove bold formatting. Ctrl I, apply or remove italic formatting. Ctrl U, apply or remove underline formatting. Ctrl 1, open the Format Cells dialog box. Ctrl+, insert the current date in the active cell. Ctrl+Shift+, insert the current time in the active cell. Ctrl+Shift+#, apply the date format to the selected cells. Ctrl+Shift+@, apply the time format to the selected cells. Note that some of these shortcut keys may be different on non-Windows platforms or depending on your version of Excel.